Thanks for joining here. Today, we're going to learn our new IFRC global ERP system. So basically, we'll learn three things today, like how to edit or password information, how can we apply for leads, and how can we set the settings. So let's go. We have to type this address d365hr.ifrc.org in any browser, but Google Chrome is preferable. So let's go here and use your IFRC email and password for login. Let's type d365hr.ifrc.org. Yes, I have logged in. So I think everybody can see this interface after login. So first we'll learn how can we edit our personal information. Let's go to employee self-service. Then we have to go to see your personal details a bit here. Then click edit personal details. From here, the first option is address. We can add our address here. Let's click add. And we can write down our the address description name. Then you can select from the drop-down menu, like it's permanent address or temporary or something like that. Then you can add country, zip code, details, city and state also. Then okay, you can add your address from here. Then contact details. This is for like our email address or our phone number. Then you can add our social platform profile link here. This is the contact details and personal contacts. For emergency case, we can add our personal contacts here. Identification numbers. We can add identification numbers, especially the NID or passport. This kind of identification number we can add here. Right, the fishing agency or the declaration date and issue date. Then submit and save. Then my payment method. Basically, these are often used by delegates, not for national stuffs. If we want, we can, but it is not necessary. Image, we can add our image. Just upload new image, it will automatically save. Thank you. This is for the very first thing, like edit how to edit our personal information. Then go to home again. Every steps are showing in PowerPoint presentation. We'll share that. So right now I'm just showing how can we use that. So when I will share this PowerPoint presentation, then you can practice step by step from here. It will be easier for you. Next part is the application. Same thing. We have to go into self-service. Here, see request time off. This means leave. So there, time off. So we have to select the leave type. We can add attachment here. It is necessary, like for medical or other. Then we can write comment. We see the you can see the leave balance from here. Then click submit. So what will happen after submitting your request? Your line manager will get a notification by email that one of your team members has been applied for leave from this date to that date and number of day. Then line manager will log in by clicking this blue color link here. The link of D365. Then after login, you will see this interface and a notification. Just right side. Please approve or deny annual leave from someone. Then line manager will click link and it will come here. So you will see for leave. So it's to select the user, then go to workflow, then it's to select the approve or deny or delegate or other some history. So for practicing purpose, he denied it, and after denying, the leave applier will get an email notification that your leave has been denied. So that's it in leave application. We can also see our leave balance and how many leaves approved or denied. So to view time off. There you see leave balances from here also. Approved time off. Time requests. And I have posted one time off. So this is from the application. Now we will go to the next part, and that is objective settings. Let's go to the employee self-service again. Please scroll it. Lower part. For objective settings, we have to go there. Next, schedule review. Then scroll down. We have to click view reviews. Two options are there. One is end of year review on the competencies. Another is end of year review of the objectives. First one is end of year review on the competencies. By default, it is added two options here. So the user who log in first time you see that begin review. As you see in mine, it's in progress. So when you see begin review, you have to click that option, then submit to manager for competencies. Then we have to add end of year review of the objectives. To do this, we have to go the home again. Then we have to go basic service. Performance goals and view all of those. We have to add our performance goals and other details like activities. If any attachment need, then we can add attachment from here. Let's add here. With new. Like add start date, end date, whole category. Then activities. We have to save it first. Then we can add this. Right title. And save. You can add more. Yeah. This is just for test. We are ready. After adding those activities, we have to save it again. If we want to add new, then we can click new and add new. So one goal is added. Then I have to go employee self-service. Next schedule review, reviews. In of your review of the now I add this one. Add goal to review. We already add my goal from in PowerPoint course. We have added this one. Support NS. Let's select this one. And let's see. You see, it's added now. Support NS. And I have added 2 activities here, so it will automatically show the total activities of my goals. It is showing it is true. If I add an attachment, it will also show here. So after adding all goals from here and in performance goals, then we can submit it to manager. Click here and submit review. So after review, you will not be able to edit. And after your line manager reviewing your settings, and when finished, then you can see the review of or comments of him from print review here. It will automatically download the file. It is showing the details. As I have not submitted yet. So I can show there right now. So that's it for executive settings. I hope it's almost clear. If anything not clear, let's email me or call me anytime. I will get it's clear. So thank you everybody. Thanks for joining.